Now we want to add our materials. So we can do import materials from a pre-existing set of materials that are found in the emthermal.vmat file that comes installed with VSim. And we have a few choices, but I want to use a perfect electrical conductor for metal. So I'm going to select PEC, add simulation, and then in the panel up here, we'll go back to 3D view again. Now I have my material imported. Now I have to actually build my geometry, and I'll be doing that using constructive solid geometries. So I'm going to add my outer cylinder first, and I'm not going to assign the material just yet, and you will see why. First I want to deselect the grid so that you can see what I'm doing. So we have our first cylinder. I'm going to call this cylinder out, and it'll be the length of L cylinder out. The radius will be R cylinder out, and the X position will be X offset cylinder out. And there we go. That's our outer shell. Now I'm going to add another geometry, also a cylinder, and that'll be the inner cylinder. Cylinder in, and the length will be L cylinder. Radius is R cylinder. X position is X offset in. Okay, so now they're both selected. If we unselect the outer cylinder, you can see our inner cylinder inside of it. Okay, and now in order to get a void inside the cavity, we're going to subtract the inner cylinder from the outer cylinder. So I want to select the outer cylinder first, and then select the inner cylinder. Then now with both selected, I want to do a Boolean operation. I want to subtract the inner cylinder from the outer cylinder. So now I get cylinder out minus cylinder in, and I'm just going to call this cavity. Now this is essentially a shell, a cylinder shell. It is empty on the inside. So I can now assign a material to that shell, and it will be made metal, or a perfect electrical conductor. Okay, now that I have my geometry all set up, I can work on my grid.